Namaste. ICAI. It stands for the Institute of Chartered Accounts of India. Paper 3. Business Mathematics, Logical Reasoning and Statistics. One paper, 2 hours, 100 marks. Chapter 1. Ratio and Proportion. Indices, Logarithms. Exercise 1.1 Multiple choice questions MCQ. Select the correct option out of the given 4 options. Problem number 14th. If 2a equal to 3b and 4b equal to 5c, then a is to c is option A 4 is to 3, option B 15 is to 8, option C 8 is to 15, option D 3 is to 4. So 2a equal to 3b. 2a equal to 3b. So then cross multiplication ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ a by b equal to 3 by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Similarly 4b equal to 5c. 4b equal to 5c. Then b by c equal to 5 by 4. Okay. Then ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಕೇಳಿರೋದು a is to c. a is to c ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ a divided by c ಅಂತ equal to a by b into b by c. So a by b is how much? 3 by 2. 3 by 2 into b by c is 5 by 4. So equal to 3 5s are 15 divided by 2 4s are 8. So a is to c. This is a by c. The 15 by 8. A is to c is 15 is to 8 is the answer. So option B is the correct answer. See the solution. 2a equal to 3b and 4b equal to 5c. So then a by b equal to 3 by 2 and b by c equal to 5 by 4. a by c equal to a by b into b by c. b cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ a by c ನೇ. Okay. a by b ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ 3 by 2 into b by c is 5 by 4. So 3 5s are 15, 2 4s are 8. So a by c is a is to c. ಇದು ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಗೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಹೀಗೆ a is to c. ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಸೊ a is to c is 15 is to 8 is the answer. Okay. Thank you so much.